Here's what you'll need for my chicken satay: some peanut butter, honey, chilli, clove of garlic, lime juice, some curry powder, sweet chilli sauce, soy sauce, and some chicken thighs. If you get them with the skin on like I have, take the skin off first. Into a bowl, put your finely chopped chilli and garlic clove, your lime juice, add a teaspoon of curry powder, and it's in with your sweet chilli sauce. Don't worry if you haven't got any sweet chilli sauce, because you're going to put honey and you've got the chopped up chillies already. But sweet chilli sauce just adds to the stickiness. Then your soy sauce, some honey, and finally your peanut butter. Couple of tablespoons of that stuff, and then just get that all mixed together. Looks horrible but tastes delicious. Cut your chicken into little bite-sized chunks, and it's time to get them in the marinade. Make sure they're all lovely and coated. And you're going to cover that with some cling film and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and preferably overnight. When your chicken's marinated for long enough, it's time to put it on the skewers. You can put it on metal skewers like those if you want, but if you're going to put it on wooden ones like I am, make sure they've been soaking for at least an hour. So get your chicken onto your skewer, and then what you want to do is really squash them up like that so that they're together for when you're going to grill them. Once you've got them all skewered up, it's time to put them under the grill. Don't forget to keep turning them every 2 or 3 minutes so you get the dark and burnt bits as well as the juicy meat. Once they've had the grilling, it's out the oven. And don't forget to include a dip. Enjoy.